Hi dear children, welcome to English class. In this class we are going to continue the story. Before that we will just revise the first part of the story. Okay, what's that? Timmy Willie and Johnny. Timmy Willie was a village mouse. He was born in a garden. Then Johnny was a city mouse. He was born in a cupboard. Then the gardener took vegetables from the garden and he sent the vegetables to the city once in a week. At the time, the Timmy Willie, the village mouse, entered into the hamper and he was eating the peas on his way. After that, the gardener reached the city. Then he took the hamper and he kept inside the house. Then Timmy Willie just opened the lid of the hamper. Then he realized where he is. He is inside the house, the city. He reached the city, so he was afraid. At the time, he heard so many dogs are barking loudly. Then the cooks are laughing. Then he heard so many noise from inside the house. Then he was very afraid. At the time, one of the cook came near to the hamper. Then he opened that lid. Then he saw Timmy Willie. Then he was shouting. Okay, he shouted loud and he called the cat. Then Timmy Willie was very afraid. Then he ran. Then there we stop. Now we are going to continue the story.
Timmy ran along the kitchen floor till he came to a little hole, and in he poked. He crashed right into the middle of a mouse dinner party hosted by Johnny, breaking 3 glasses. Who in the world is this? Johnny was taken by surprise, but he introduced Timmy to other mice. He invited Timmy to join the for dinner. However, Timmy was very nervous when he heard the cat running around upstairs. Oops, I dropped the plate. Never mind, they don't belong to us. Here you can see Timmy Willie was very afraid. Why? Because he saw the cook and he saw the cat also. So he was very afraid. Then he ran along the kitchen floor. At the final, he saw one little hole. Then he jumped into the little hole. Then there was a party. Who was conducting the party? Yes, very good. Johnny was conducting the party for his friends. Then he crashed right into the middle of the table. Who? Timmy Willie. Here you can see now where he was. He was on the table. He crashed right into the middle of the table and he broke 3 glasses. Then Johnny asked to Timmy Willie, who in the world is this? You are new here. So who in the world is this? After that, what happened? Johnny was surprised. Why? Because he saw the new person in the world. So he was surprised. But he introduced Timmy to the other mice. Then they were conducting the party. Johnny invited Timmy Willie to join the for dinner. However, Timmy was very nervous when he heard the cat running around upstairs. Then again also Timmy Willie was very afraid and very nervous. Why? Because he heard the sound. The cat is running upstairs. So he was very afraid. Oops, I dropped the plate. Dropped means fall vertically. Again also Timmy Willie dropped the plate. Why? Because he was very afraid. Then Johnny told it to Timmy Willie, never mind, they don't belong to us. Belong means be a member of a particular group. Okay, don't be afraid. The cat can't come here. So don't be afraid. 2 young mice were serving the guests. They went skirmishing upstairs to the kitchen to get each dish. Several times they had come tumbling in, squeaking and laughing. Come on, catch us. Just you wait. Timmy learned with horror that the 2 young mice had been chased by the cat all evening. He lost his appetite and turned pale. Jelino, would you rather go to bed? Here you can see 2 young mice and a cat. What they are doing, 2 young mice, they were serving the food for the guest. They went skirmishing. Skirmishing means talking loudly and fighting for fun. Okay, they are always talking loudly and fighting for fun. And they went upstairs. They went into the kitchen and they took food from the kitchen. Basically, they are stealing the food from the kitchen to give the guest. Then several times they had come tumbling in, squeaking and laughing. Okay, then again also they many times, several times, many times they come outside and they are making loud noise and they are laughing and they are playing with the cat. Then they both, the two young mice, told to the cat, "Come on, catch us." Then the cat said to the mice, "Okay, just you wait, I will catch you." Here, look at the picture. They were very happy and they were enjoying the party very well. But look, Timmy Willie's face, he was very happy. No, he was looking very upset and he was looking very afraid. Why? Because he was afraiding the cat. Again, two young mice had been chased by the cat all evening. Okay, all the evening. Before that, we saw two young mice. So the two young mice were chased by the cat. So he was very upset and he was very sad, Timmy Willie. He lost his appetite and turned pale. Here you can see the meaning of appetite means a desire to eat. Turn pale means look scared. Okay, turn pale means look scared. Then he likes to eat food, but he is looking very scared. He was always thinking about the cat. Then Johnny asked it to one of the mouse. That mouse name was Jelly. Jelly, would you rather go to bed? Okay, now would you rather go to bed? He asked one of the mouse. That mouse name was Jelly. Johnny took Timmy to the most comfortable bed that he had, a hole in a sofa pillow. "This is reserved only for guests, you know." "I'm sorry, but I can't sleep here. The sofa smells of cat." Timmy decided to sleep under the floor inside the hole. It was just the same the next day. Johnny and his friends racketed about under the floors all day. They came out and ran around all over the house in the evening. "I miss my home in the garden. I miss my salads and roads. I get a headache from all this noise. I just can't sleep anymore." So, dear children, here you can see Johnny and Timmy. What they are doing? Johnny took Timmy to the most comfortable bed that he had. That's a hole in a sofa pillow. Then Johnny told to Timmy, "This is only reserved for new guests. This place is booked for only the new guests. So you have to stay here." Then what happened? He told, "No, I can't sleep here. Maybe the sofa smells of cat." No, the cat knows the sofa smell. "So I can't sleep here. I will go to the floor, under the floor. Then I will take rest inside the hole." Then what happened? The next day, Johnny and his friends racketed about under the floors all day. Racketed means made a lot of noise. Then after that, next day, Johnny and his friends, they are made a lot of noise and they came out and ran around all over the house in the evening. They are running here and there. You can see in the picture itself. Here you can see Timmy Willie. He is looking very sad. Why? He is missing his home and he is missing his salads and roads. Then he gets headache. Why? Because he is very noise, lots of noise. So he is not well. Then he can't sleep anywhere. Why? Because of very noise. After a few days, Timmy made up his mind to leave for home. Johnny waved goodbye to Timmy with a heavy heart, as he had become quite fond of his new friend. Soon, Timmy hopped onto the vegetable cart and happily headed home. After that, what happened? A few days after, Timmy changed his mind to leave for home. Then Johnny waved. Johnny said goodbye to Timmy Willie with feelings because Johnny got a new friend. So he was very sad and he said Timmy Willie to bye, and Timmy Willie also said goodbye to Johnny. After that, Timmy hopped under Timmy jumped onto the vegetable cart, and happily he reached his garden. Now he was very happy because now he is in his garden.
So this is the story about Timmy Willie and Johnny, the city life and the village life. So dear children, you have to read the textbook thoroughly. We will see in the next class. Bye.